Hi guys, today we will install Jenkins on Windows. I have Windows 7 installed on my computer and I will show you what to do in this case. Follow the link in the description or use the search. Here is the page we need. Here we can download long-term support version. It is more reliable or weekly releases. These are fresh versions and they have not been tested enough yet. But since I have Java 8 and Windows 7 installed, I will choose the version from the archive which will be installed on my computer without compatibility problems. Download this version and this file. Put it in a folder. Go to command line. Specify the path through the command line. Write a command to execute jar file. Press enter and the installation starts. There are some errors during installation, but we see that Jenkins is running. We can look at it at this address. Here is this address in the password that we will copy and replace. Here it is. Then we will see the plugins that were asked to install. We can install the necessary plugins at any time. Create a username and repeat the password. Save. For example, this is how we can log into the admin panel and fine-tune Jenkins. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye guys.